Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is part 2 of this. While that other video was loading, I never have done this before with the interactive fill tool. You know, you can still kind of see some lines in this. With the interactive fill tool, you can't see any lines. So instead of making all these colors, and granted, I could still use these colors with the eyedropper tool, but if we just take the Smart Fill tool and fill this in with red, then I'm going to go ahead and take away the outline because we don't need it anymore. Then I'm going to get the interactive fill tool and I'm going to go from the very bottom to the very top. I'm going to make that first one yellow. I'm going to make the second one, I'm going to add a second one yellow. And you can see a plus sign when you get near the line that you know you're there. Like that didn't work. I don't know if you can see that plus sign or not. I'm going to do one more yellow. And you could do as many as you, I hit a red. I'm going to do one more, I did one more, now I'm going to do an orange. And with the Smart Interactive Fill tool, you can pick that color and leave the top one alone, pick the second one, and then hold down the control button and 1, 2, 3, pick the second one, red, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like I did in the other video, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one we're going to add a little yellow, 1, 2. I'm holding down the control button. I don't want quite that much red, so I'm going to add a little yellow. I think it actually looks probably better. It's a blend, and you could actually still take the right here and go to smooth it out, and you have no separation of lines whatsoever. Now we still had a lot of times when you use the Smart Fill tool, you can't really get rid of the lines because there's no lines really there, they're behind that. So you could use the interactive fill tool to do the same thing and maybe even better. I hope that helped a little bit. Thanks for watching.